To make the proper sound on the saxophone, you need to first learn how to form the correct embouchure. The embouchure is the way you form your mouth, lips, and teeth to produce a sound on a wind instrument. For this video, you will need a mirror to check that you are setting your mouth correctly for playing your instrument. If you don't have one, pause this video and get one. Watch as Eric demonstrates these techniques. Then we will perform them together. An important part of playing the saxophone is the ability to make a firm and flat chin. This means that the inside part of your mouth is flat against your bottom teeth, like Eric is demonstrating. Use a mirror to practice making a firm and flat chin. A good technique to help you make your chin flat is to tuck your bottom lip in and then slide it out of your mouth against your bottom teeth, keeping the inside of your mouth against your gums, as Eric is demonstrating here. Make sure you stop pulling your bottom lip out when the pink part of your lip is on your bottom teeth. Now try this with Eric. This may feel like you're pulling the center of your bottom lip down and slightly opening your teeth. You will also want to work to make your flat chin while keeping your corners forward, as if saying, ooh. You know your chin is set correctly when there are no bumps and the skin does not move around too easily. It should feel firm and in place to the touch with your finger. Once you have established your flat and firm chin, practice making that chin correctly 10 to 20 times a day until you can do it easily and naturally. Now press pause and practice making your firm and flat chin many times using these important reminders. Before we set our embouchure on the saxophone, let's practice on our thumb. We'll pretend that the thumbnail is the reed and the soft part of our thumb is the top of the mouthpiece. Watch as Eric demonstrates this for us. He will start with his head slightly elevated. This is important in playing the saxophone. Then he will open his mouth and place the soft part of his thumb on the center two top teeth. The teeth should be about half an inch down the thumb. Next, he makes sure to have a little bit of his bottom lip cover his bottom teeth. You don't want to tuck in too much lip, just enough to cover the teeth and create a soft cushion. He will then move the lower lip and teeth into his thumbnail. He will then move his corners forward and wrap his mouth around his thumb, keeping his chin flat as we practiced before. Finally, for this exercise, he will set his top and bottom teeth, take a full breath, and set his embouchure while trying to blow air out. You should not have any air leaking out of your mouth. He will use his embouchure muscles to keep the air in and to keep his chin flat. This is a great exercise for developing your saxophone embouchure muscles. Now try this with Eric. Be sure to use a mirror to check the items we're about to discuss. First, start with your head elevated. Then open your mouth and place the soft part of your thumb on the center two top teeth. Your teeth should be about a half an inch down your thumb. Next, have a little bit of your bottom lip cover your bottom teeth. Do not tuck in too much lip, just enough to cover the teeth and create a soft cushion. Then move the lower lip and teeth into your thumbnail. Move your corners forward and wrap your mouth around your thumb, keeping your chin flat as we practiced before. Be sure that you can still see the pink or fleshy part of your lips on either side of your thumb. If you can't, then you might have too much of your bottom lip inside your mouth. Pull your bottom lip out a little, but still keep some of your lip covering your bottom teeth. This will also help you keep your chin flat. Finally, for this exercise, set your top and bottom teeth, take a full breath, then set your embouchure while trying to blow air out. Use your embouchure muscles to keep the air in and to keep your chin flat. You should not have any air leaking out of your mouth. This is a great exercise for developing your saxophone embouchure muscles. Practice it correctly with a mirror 5 to 10 times per day to build your muscles for playing the saxophone. Each time you practice, focus on these essential elements of saxophone embouchure. Always use a mirror to check your embouchure. Keep your head elevated slightly. Place your teeth about ½ an inch onto your thumb. Cover your bottom teeth with your bottom lip. Make sure you can see the pink, fleshy part of your bottom lip at the corners. Keep your chin flat. Wrap your mouth around your thumb. Don't let any air leak out. Developing the correct embouchure is an important part of playing the saxophone.